I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be my first ever clean with me, and I'm so excited. I have never done one of these videos, but you guys seem to request it and I love watching them, so I wanted to do my own. But today I have a few things to get done because I'm actually going to LA this weekend for 3 nights, so I want to have a clean and tidy apartment when I go home, or when I get back from the trip. And I tend to do all of my cleaning on Fridays anyway, so that way I can go into the weekend knowing that my house is clean and that I can just enjoy my time on the weekend and like take some time off. So today I have a few things. I've done pretty well this week with keeping everything like pretty clean, but my bathroom is #1 priority today because it is not cute. So I need to do the bathroom. I want to organize the drawer under my bed because it's kind of just filled with summer clothes, and I want to fix that and just make it so I can see everything and it's super visible. I need to clean up my beauty room because it's a mess from last week's dance shows. I need to empty the dishwasher. I need to vacuum, water the plants. It's kind of raining out, so maybe I won't do that. But yeah, that is pretty much the top few things I need to do today. If you guys are wondering, my sweater, I didn't include it in my London vlog, but I went to YouTube Space in London, which was so cool, and I got this sweater, so that's what I'm gonna wear today. I think that's it. Let's get cleaning. Just kidding, that's not it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and do so. It's a great time. And if you like these videos and you want to see more of them in the future, give it a thumbs up. Okay, now let's get cleaning.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, you deserve a better man, but let me just hold your hand once more.
Wow, it has been a hot minute since I filmed a voiceover, but hello, welcome to my bathroom. I always like to start cleaning my bathroom with taking everything off my very little bathroom counter. It is the tiniest thing, and also my sink is like the weirdest shape and it makes it very difficult to wash my face, I might add. So like, if you're in home renovations, don't ever choose this sink, FYI. Anyway, moving on to the cleaning, I am actually using some cleaning products from Sage, not sponsored. I mean, I totally take free cleaning products if they wanted to sell me some, but I really like these. They're all natural, they're really good, they smell really good, and they do a great job. So I'm just using the bathroom cleaner for the bathroom counters and the tile and the sink and everything, and then I'm using the glistening glass one for my mirror, which was extremely dirty today, so I cleaned that. Now moving on to the thing most people hate, cleaning the toilet. And if you guys didn't know, we actually have 2 bathrooms in our little apartment. So this is my bathroom and Cody has his own that is attached to the bedroom. So I don't mind. It's like my own bathroom. I'm cleaning it. I'm the one using the toilet, if you know what I mean. So it's like really not a big deal. But I did not want to clean my shower today, so I just gave it a little bit of a rinse on the outskirts, you know, the part that people see, and called it a day on that aspect. And if you notice, Snicks is a very needy child, and he is by my side every step of the way this entire video because he is a needy little boy, and that's okay because he's cute. Once I have the base of the bathroom cleaned, like the counter, the sink, the toilet, and a little bit of the shower, I like to move on to my shelf, and I just like to give it a good old wipe because it gets quite dusty. This is where I house most of my everyday products, including hair and skincare, and a little bit of face masks, you know, some Lush goods all up in there. And if you guys are wondering, I got this shelf at HomeSense. It took a really long time to find, and I looked on Etsy too, just to see something. I wanted wood, but found this one miraculously, so that's great. I also like to change out my garbage. That's something you should do often, and replace the bag. And then I just go in with my vacuum, and you guys will see this a lot in this video, but I use the Shark Rocket vacuum. I love this thing. They were so kind to gift this to me last year when we moved in, which actually we've been living in this apartment for 1 whole year basically, which is so cool. I still can't believe that it's been a whole year, but yeah, I love this vacuum. I will have a link to it down below. Fantastic if you guys need a vacuum. Moving into the kitchen now, I'm just emptying the clean dishwasher. I don't particularly like this task, but it's not the worst. I do have to say, so I just get it done. And also let me know if you guys like me voicing over these videos, or if you would prefer me to just play music and then have it as like montages and different things like that. But today I'm going to voice it over, but I know these videos can kind of go either way, so let me know what you prefer. And then after I emptied the dishwasher and filled it a little bit with whatever dishes were lying around, I'm just cleaning the opposite counter. So this is our stove. I do a pretty good job of keeping this clean every single night. I always like to go to bed with a clean kitchen. It just makes me feel so much better, and when I wake up to a clean kitchen to make breakfast, it is just so dandy. So that is what I'm doing. Give it all a little bit of a wipe. And then moving into the bedroom, I have been making my bed every single day like a good person. So I'm just making it. We even washed our sheets last week, so I didn't have to do that. Snicks again is with me 24/7, so here he is, and I'm trying to get him out of the room so I can vacuum. And I just go in and vacuum, and that's pretty much it. We don't have carpets, we have hardwood, so it's pretty fast and easy. And I didn't really have much else to do because we vacuumed it like last week. We pulled the bed out and everything and did a really big deep clean when we got back from Europe, so didn't really have much to do on this particular day. But I am going to do the drawer underneath because, as you can see, clothes are bulging out of it and I need to organize it. So the way I decided to do this was to take absolutely every single thing out, and I wasn't necessarily decluttering anything, although I probably should have. This is basically all of my summer clothes, so shorts and rompers and skirts and bathing suits. So I just took everything out. The stuff you see still in the drawer is just like random stuff, so I wasn't really gonna touch that, but I did want to go ahead and vacuum around and get everything out because it's kind of gross in there. And if you guys are wondering, my bed frame and these drawers are from Ikea, so I'll have those linked down below if you guys want to check them out if you're in the market for a bed frame with big storage drawers underneath. Okie dokie, so the first thing I'm going to organize are my bathing suits, which I did not realize how many I had because they were all just stuffed in the drawer. So I wanted to organize these into different like piles basically, because I don't know a better way to store these or fold them. So I have like one-piece bathing suits, I have bathing suit bottoms, and then I have bathing suit tops. So I just kind of organize those all on the side so they're easy to grab when I want to go to the lake this summer, and they're more visible so I know which ones that I actually own. And then I moved on to bottoms. So I have different kind of pants and skirts and dresses and different things like that. This is not the best example of organization because I kind of just put like bottoms and tops in a line, but I definitely highly recommend the file folding way of folding clothes. You can see everything so much clearer and it fits so much more in your drawers. So that is what I'm doing with all of the things. And then I also wanted to make one long pile for all my shorts because that was another thing that I definitely couldn't see what I owned. So that is what I organized, and this took me a minute, but I'm happy it's done. Once the bedroom has completely been cleaned and vacuumed, I like to move on to the kitchen and the living room, so I'm just vacuuming. Again, I didn't really have a ton of cleaning that needed to be done. Everything was kind of decent, but I do like to vacuum at least once a week because living in a small apartment with 2 cats, you can imagine how gross and like cat hairy it gets. So I definitely like to vacuum multiple times a week, and I also have a little hand vac that I use during the week if something is a little bit more messy, but I do love a good vacuum. So I'm just vacuuming the carpet and also the couch and everything, and normally the cats are a lot more scared of the vacuum, but Noodle I guess was like trying to be brave for the camera or something because he's like not given an F. So yeah, vacuum the couch, vacuum the carpets, vacuum everything around, and continue the montage. I do tend to give our coffee table a general wipe every single night, but I did want to go in with a glass cleaner on that little tray and just cut off all the dead flowers. That bouquet of flowers has lasted so long and it's so great. And then once I've dusted the TV stand, which kind of needs some TLC because it's glass and it gets quite gross quite fast, so I just like to give that a wipe. And then I also like to wipe our bar cart and fill my sage diffuser because I always love finishing off a cleaning kind of spree with a nice scent in the air. So that is it for the living room, all tidy, all fresh, all clean, and snacks. And the final task for me today is to tidy up the rest of the kitchen. So that is putting all the dishes in the dishwasher that I've used thus far, washing any dishes that need to be hand washed, wiping down all of the counters, which is probably my favorite thing. Having white countertops definitely makes me wipe the counters like a million times a day. One of my favorite cleaners for this is this Method one. It is grapefruit flavored, scented, whatever. I love it. It smells amazing and it's a great cleaner, so I will have that link down below if you want to check it out if you also clean your countertops or any surface essentially. And yeah, I just give all of the sinks a wipe as well. And then the last thing I did today was pop some towels into the laundry to wash them. So that is pretty much it for my cleaning today. I did get a lot done. I didn't get to my makeup room, but that's okay. I can do that next week. I did get a lot done though, and I'm pretty happy. And I did it all super fast. I guess filming it made me like want to hustle basically. So that's really great. If you guys want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up and let me know. Pretty sure that one was in every single shot of this video, so that's cool. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.